Hey folks, this is Will Lamb. Welcome to edition 7 of Vibe Coding Apps for Fun and Profit. Today I'm just going to go ahead and say, fuck it, we're going to do a live demo of what I've built so far. You know, just me, rather than you watching me ramble in my head about me building apps, I'm going to show actually what I've been building. So, without further ado, it's FridgeWiz demo time. Sorry, I had to do that. Okay, so let's head back over here. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is my mobile desktop right now. Let's fire up Expo Go. This is the app. Yeah, sorry, I should have been on this screen. But yeah, as you can see, this is supposed to be a representation of your fridge, or more specifically, your fridge, pantry, and freezer, in order for you to help not waste any food, save money, and make better informed decisions about, creating meals from the meals that you already have, probably already in your fridge and the other two places, pantry and freezer. Yeah, in any case, so live demo, the coolest feature that I am personally impressed with is the scan app feature here. Or scan receipt feature, but let's just go ahead and try that out, and we'll just talk about the other parts of the app, but I just want to go with this one because this is the coolest. So I'm going to go ahead and scan receipt, and I'm just going to scan a receipt of some groceries I bought literally maybe about 2 hours ago. I'll click on the scan receipt button here in the quick actions, or I can just actually access it from here. Let's go back over here. All right, cool. So I'm going to take a picture of this receipt here. Some grocery items I bought at Hagersville Foodland over in Cottage Country, Ontario. Going to do that. You want to use photo. Okay, clear enough. So you just note that got some patak, butter chicken sauce, baby dills, baby arugula, a tuxedo cake, and some light rye bread. Okay, so I'm going to just use a photo. And let's see what it does. So yeah, it'll take about 5 to 10 seconds. You gotta wait a little bit. Yeah, just let that do its thing and see if it actually pulls in the right data. Should be any minute now, or any second now. Okay. Perfect. So it takes a little bit of time, but yeah, as you saw earlier, yeah, it actually picks up everything, including the prices as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these 5 items to my fridge. And it'll automatically categorize in terms of determining whether it actually ends up in your fridge, pantry, or freezer. So I'm just going to add these 5 items, see if it actually goes over. Sweet. So I was able to add them here, and then as you can see, I have my other items that I've added as well, but you'll notice that there's some emoji here, like this warning symbol, which means that actually need to enter the specific dates for those. So the baby arugula, I'm going to say, I don't know this off the top of my head. I'll probably get to this later on. We'll just click on not sure. Go to the next one, baby dills. Maybe I'll just do this, probably, I'll enter the specific dates for this afterwards, but I'm just going to guess this is going to expire at least a year from now. So I'll just go ahead and do that. April 2027. Let's go back here. Cool, 29, done. Sweet. Save that. Balderson 2-year cheddar. Let's say, well, maybe it's 2 years from now. So I will do this, 2028. And sure, choose that date. Save. Tuxedo cake, let's just say next week is the expiry date. Do it over there. Havarti cheese. Let's imagine this. I don't know. I'm just going to click on don't know. Large eggs. We go ahead, if you don't want to do this right now or don't want to think, just click skip. Rye bread, maybe I'll just put in, like, I don't know, 2 weeks from now. Organic arugula, I don't know, let's put 2 weeks. And then the butter chicken, I'll just put not sure yet. Pork loin, I'll just skip over that, and that's it. Cool. But yeah, for the most part, this is organized by, it prioritizes the items that you're going to be expiring within the next 3 days. So you probably should want to do something with these ingredients. I could edit these at some point in the future as well, but right now the warning dates are on 3 days and then 1 day. But yeah, in terms of how food is organized, it's like you can scroll through everything. You can actually filter through different zones as well: fridge, pantry, and then freezer. And yeah, what ends up in your fridge, presumably there's going to be a virtuous cycle where you actually you're going to go back and think about buying groceries in terms of replenishing your food, right? So we have all the food that you actually approve and add to your fridge, if you will. They'll be in previously bought, and from there, for your next grocery trip, this is where you'll want to start planning your next grocery trip and just add trip in terms of just adding things that you might have bought before. So probably want to buy some chocolate milk over there. See, I don't know why Brussels sprouts is in there, but I'll fix that later on. Might want to buy some, let's see, large, let's go with Honeycrisp apples. Of course, I need to get some fizzy water, but yeah. And over here, on the other side, is your actual grocery list that you're going to, use while you're at the grocery store. And yeah, as you're going through it, as you're picking up items, you'll just be checking them off here. Then when we finish grocery shopping, you'll just clear that list so you're ready to go next time. And the next time when you buy your food items, you'll be scanning from either receipts, adding via voice. I can do that, a cool demo of that another time. Scanning a barcode, or you can just do it through manual entry. But that's just kind of it's a bit cumbersome. But if you want to have that sort of granularity and you feel like doing that, go ahead. Not going to stop yet. But anyway, this concludes the first demo of the FridgeWiz app. If you want to try to check it out, download it. It's at www.fridgewiz.app. And that concludes this edition for vibe coding for fun and profits. Peace out.